Hello, my name is Irumva Esperankono. In this part, I will talk about what climate change is and why it is so important for us to understand. I know and I'm sure I'm certain that you have probably heard the term many times, but what does it really mean? Let's take a closer look, step by step, in this issue that affects all of us. Imagine you wake up every year and it feels just a little hotter than the last. Farmers notice that the rain does not come when they expect. People living near rivers see more flooding. These changes are not just accidents. Rather, they are a sign of something bigger happening to our planet. Scientists call it climate change, and it is one of the biggest challenges of our time. What is climate change? Climate change means long-term changes in temperature, rainfall, winds, and other parts of the Earth's climate system. It does not happen in a single day or week. It takes place over many years and decades or centuries. Many people confuse weather and climate. Weather is what you see today or tomorrow, sunny, rainy, windy, cloud. Climate is the average pattern of weather in a place of a long period, usually 30 years or more. So, when we say climate change, we're talking about these long-term patterns shifting. Why it is happening now? The Earth's climate has changed naturally in the past because of volcanoes, changes in the sun's energy, and the way Earth orbits the sun. But what is happening now is different. It is much faster, and it is caused mainly by humans. It is how we burn coal, oil, gas for electricity transport and factories. We cut down forests and normally absorb carbon dioxide from the air. We use industrial farming and raise many animals that produce methane gas. All these activities release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases build up in the atmosphere. Think of Earth like a greenhouse for plants. Normally, a thin layer of gases traps some heat from the sun, and this keeps the Earth warm enough for life. But when we add too many gases, the layer gets thicker, like adding too many blankets. The Earth keeps more heat than it should. This is called the enhanced greenhouse effect. How do we know it's real? You might ask, how do scientists know the climate is changing? They have been measuring global temperature, which have risen sharply over the last 100 years, melting glaciers and sea ice from the Arctic to the Alps. Sea levels are rising, threatening coastal cities. Extreme weather events, heat waves, stronger storms, longer droughts, and wildfires. All the data from satellite, oceans, and land tells the same story. And over 97% of climate scientists agree that human activities are the main cause. Why does it matter? Climate change is not just about numbers and charts. It affects food, water. Farmers struggle when rain is unpredictable. Health, heat, and pollution make people sick. Homes and safety floods, fire and storms destroy communities. And it's not only happening in faraway places. It affects every community, rich or poor. What happens in one part of the world can impact all of us through food prices, migration, and global security. So, climate change means the Earth is warming and weather patterns are shifting, mainly because of human activities. We understand what it is and we see the evidence everywhere.